Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Binti Johar. My number matric is 280544 and today I will present the case study 2 which is Mr. D.I.Y, the Malaysian sweetheart. The issue that I want to focusing and also dilemma to the Mr. Yu Ye and Mr. Yu Wei is the Mr. D.I.Y face strong competition from foreigner retailers specializing in premium goods and service as it works to achieve an accurate balance between giving low pricing and ensuring profitability. This is difficulty to get worse by rising labor, logistical and procurement expense. Based on the issue, there are two alternative solutions that Mr. D.I.Y should consider. The first one is focus on product differentiation and innovation. Mr. D.I.Y need to develop unique product or service that cater to the specific needs and preference of local consumer. And Mr. D.I.Y need to invest in research and development to stay ahead of the competition and introduce the new and innovative product. For the example, IKEA, a Swedish furniture retailer, has been able to maintain low price and profitability by competing with foreigner retailers, offering premium goods and service by focusing on product differentiation and innovation. IKEA designed its own furniture that is specifically tailored to the needs and preference of its customers. The company also used innovative material and manufacturing process to keep its costs low. The second one is emphasize customer experience and targeted marketing. They need to create a unique and engaging shopping experience that sets Mr. D.I.Y apart from its competitor. And they need to implement personalized marketing campaigns that cater to the specific needs and interests of different customer segments. Leverage customer data insights to improve product offering, pricing strategy, and marketing campaigns. For the example, Sephora, a French cosmetic retailer, is known for providing its customers with a personalized and engaging shopping experience. The company offers a wide range of beauty products and services as well as personalized consultation with beauty and advisor. Sephora also uses customer data to target in marketing campaign information, which has helped it to build a strong customer base. So the solution that most recommended is to focus on product differentiation and innovation. For the justification, in a retail landscape where consumers are increasingly seeking unique and innovative products, investing in product differentiation allows Mr. D.I.Y to stand out and cater to the specific needs and preference of local consumers. This strategy aligns with the current market trend favoring customization and uniqueness. By investing in research and development, Mr. D.I.Y can stay ahead of the competition and introduce new and innovative products, attracting customers seeking novel solutions. By aligning with current market trends favoring individuality, the company not only meets the evolving needs of consumers, but also cultivates a distinct identity, ensuring a resilient and competitive position in the retail sector. For the example of IKEA's success in maintaining low price while delivering unique and tailored products through a focus on product differentiation and innovation lies in its commitment to in-house design and cutting-edge manufacturing process. By designing its own furniture, IKEA has the flexibility to create products that align precisely with customer needs and preference. This strategic blend of design autonomy and innovative process has positioned IKEA as a trailblazer in the furniture industry, proving that a dedication to product excellence need not come at the expense of affordability. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.